Guys in Heart's kitchen, where we're going to cook up some good cookies today. But I wanted to tell you a story. So I was cleaning out my house because I'm just so bored, and I just had to go look through some like cabinets and stuff, and I found this box. Okay, so then in this box, I opened up, I said, what is this? This is crazy. So I opened up the box, and inside the box, I found this recipe for cooked ease. And I said, cooked ease? What are cooked ease? That sounds delicious. So then I was reading the recipe, and I said, oh, I have all these things. I thought I would share the recipe with you, and then we could make some cooked ease today. And we'll just have some fun. So get tight, get ready to go, do whatever you gotta do, go in your kitchen, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm looking at these ingredients, and it says I need 1 egg. Well, I got that right here. Hold on, gotta get them. I have an A. Here we go, an A. It says 3 E's, 1 E, 2 E's, 3 E's. It says 1 I. Oh, I thought I lost him, but I didn't. He's right here. Here's my eye. And then it says a bossy E. Ooh, you know those bossy E's? They're kind of a little spicy. Because they're really bossy, they'll make you say your letter name. So I got my bossy E, but I have to show him like this. Because we have an E and then a consonant. Oh, there we go. He's flying. He's already sassy with me. And then another E. So there I got my bossy E. It says a baking pan, and a mixing bowl. So I got all my ingredients ready. Okay, it says to mix all the letters in the bossy E together in a bowl, but only to stir 5 times. I think that's because when the bossy E, if you stir him a little too much, he might get a little sassy. He might like jump out or something. I don't know. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Then it says, place on a baking pan, all the letters must be separated from one another. Okay, so over here the directions said to place the letters on a baking pan, all letters must be separated from one another. So I'm going to do that. Ooh, they're a little slippery. They're like cookies, cookie dough. Okay, then place in oven for 10 minutes. Alrighty. Go like this. Timer, 10 minutes. Alright, check back in 10 minutes. We'll see how these cookies turn out. Okay, they're almost done. They smell delicious. They smell chocolatey. Oh! Here we go. Let's see what they look like. Gotta grab my baking mitt. OMG! Look at that! Here's our finished product, and guess what? When we have the I and the E next to each other, it makes an E sound. When we have the E and the A next to each other, it makes an E sound. When we have the E and the E, the double E, it makes an E sound. And an E, consonant E, it also makes E sound because this guy's a bossy E, and he's just going to boss that E around like that. So when you see these in your books and they're next to each other, we know that makes an E. So I was thinking with all these E's that we got that we could start playing with other words. So I thought maybe I would build a word and then you could try to guess what it is using your new knowledge of the E sounds. I wonder what this word is. If you guess C, you are correct. S-E, C. T-E. T. Did you get it right? Eep. Keep. Ooh, bossy E. So we have E-er, here. Did you guess here again? Because look. E-er, here. This is the here that you use with your ears. Did you guess field? E-o-d.
field.
Thank you for coming to my cooking show today with Baked Ease. What I want you to do now is go find some Baked Ease in your words in a book, maybe on Raz Kids, or just one you got laying around, and see how many you can find. All right, join us next week. Maybe if I come up with something cool to show you.